This is how y'all fix a PS4 controller. I just fixed it. Y'all see ya. But what y'all have to do, hold this button down for 2 beeps. After here, no, don't do that first. Y'all, what y'all do first? Plug it in. Just plug it in. Do a 2 beeps, and then come back over here. Press this button right here. Press this button right here. And turn on, and it should work. Y'all. Okay, because I just did it in about, and I just did it in 10 minutes because I was just watching somebody and they were still doing some stuff that I just did it. And y'all, if y'all want to play with me, if y'all play with me, I'll go better. Y'all, I got Fortnite, Call of Duty, GTA 5, Rocket League, not Mad, Need for Speed, and 2K20, and NBA Live 18, and Call of Duty, Infinite Warzone. That means if y'all wanna play with me, y'all can. But I'm about to play some GTA 5. I mean, if you wanna watch me, give it a like up. I heard that it was an update for some people. It may turn blue, right, or black. That means please leave a like. If we get 10 likes, I'm talking about 10 likes because I never got no likes in my whole time. What I mean, if we get 5 or 10 likes, y'all will may watch me play GTA 5. Bye. Wait.